Isn't it frustrating when you're in a hurry and get stuck behind someone taking forever at the ATM? I've been there too. And after using Patriot Bank's ATMs for a while, especially the newer ones they call smart ATMs, I've figured out a few simple things that drastically cut down my transaction time. This isn't about magical shortcuts, but about smart preparation and knowing the machine. Here are the best Patriot Bank ATM tips I've learned for getting in and out faster. Tip 1. Pre-stage your card and PIN. Before I even walk up to the ATM, my card is already out of my wallet and in my hand. More importantly, I know my PIN. Don't fumble around trying to find your card or think about your PIN while you're standing at the machine. That's the biggest time sink. Have them ready so the second the screen prompts you, you're inserting the card and keying in the numbers. Tip 2. Utilize the fast cash option. For simple withdrawals, this is your best friend. Patriot's ATMs, like most modern ones, offer a fast cash or quick withdrawal button for common amounts like $40, $60, or $100. If one of those amounts works for me, I hit the button and bypass the entire menu system and custom amount entry. It's literally 3 seconds versus 5 steps. If the amount you need is close to a fast cash option, I recommend adjusting to save time. Tip 3. The deposit stack method for smart ATMs. If you are using one of Patriot's smart ATMs to deposit cash or checks, organize your items before you feed them in. Cash, straighten your bills and make sure they are unfolded, non-creased, and facing the same direction. These ATMs count the bills instantly, but if they jam or have to reject a crumpled bill, it adds 30 seconds to a minute of troubleshooting. Checks. Endorse the back of your check before you leave your car or enter the ATM area. On the smart ATMs, I've found you can feed multiple checks and cash at once in a single bundle, and the machine sorts them out. Having them neatly stacked and ready to insert as a batch speeds up the deposit process dramatically. Tip 4. Keep balance inquiries off-site. If you're just checking your balance, use the Patriot Bank mobile app. The ATM is the slowest, least efficient place to do this, especially if there's a line. Every time you ask for a balance or a printed receipt with a balance, you add steps and paper usage. Use the app for real-time balances, transfers, and to check your transaction history. The only thing I do at the ATM is the direct transaction I came for. Tip 5. Get out of the way. This is more ATM etiquette, but it ensures a faster overall experience for everyone, including myself next time. Once the cash or card is dispensed, I immediately pocket everything and step back from the machine. I don't count the money or review the receipt until I'm safely in my car or away from the queue. This is crucial for security, but it also signals to the person behind me that the machine is instantly available, reducing any awkward waiting. Following these steps, getting pre-staged, using fast cash, prepping deposits, and keeping admin tasks on my phone has completely changed my Patriot ATM experience from a potential chore to a quick pit stop. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.